What's up guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we're making Fettuccine Aglio E Olio. Let's go. That was honestly the most Italian I've spoken my whole life. And just for that, why don't you do me a solid and subscribe to Honest Cooks. Let's begin this super quick recipe by cooking the pasta in heavily salted water. And while that's happening, we'll slice the garlic. You can go thinner, but I like my garlic chewy and not crispy for this recipe. We'll start cooking the garlic in cold oil and let the garlic and the oil heat up together. Once the garlic has a lovely golden color, I'm going to strain some of this out. Use it later for garnish. And now we'll add the chili flakes to the oil. From here it's going to be very quick, so make sure your pasta is almost cooked. Add the pasta, you don't have to strain it. And give it a few good tosses and it's all mixed in. And next we'll add the parmesan and another few good tosses. And we're off to plating. I will garnish this with more parmesan and a lot of lime zest and a touch of that garlic oil. Traditionally, you would also add parsley, but I prefer it this way. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. And you can also check out our carbonara recipe listed in the description box below. Bonus shopping footage in that video to fight your quarantine blues. Thank you so much for watching guys, and as always, have a lovely day.